how to fix Chatgpt access denied, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. First, if you want to fix it, all you need to do, just open your browser and then click these 3 points, go to settings, then go to privacy and security. Here you will find clear browsing data, click on it, go to advanced, select cookies and site settings, then select 7 days here and clear it. Now just try to open Chatgpt and register with a new account, not your old account, and you will find that your problem is fixed. If that doesn't fix it, just try the same thing on another browser like Microsoft Edge. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.